In today's video, I am taking down and storing my fall decor and cleaning some to get ready to start the decorating process for the Christmas holiday season. I cannot believe it's already almost that time of year. This is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. As always, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is hosted by the lovely Sunday Dawn. Please check out her channel along with the rest of the Tiny Tidiers. So I hope this video brings you lots of motivation, so stay tuned. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This Tiny Tidy is not quite as tiny as some of my other Tidy Tidies. I am ready to put my fall decorations away and get ready to decorate for Christmas. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down all of my fall decor and cleaning everything really well and getting ready to put up my Christmas stuffs. I am recording this Tiny Tidy at night. I normally like to do my cleaning during the day. However, on this particular day, we had gone shopping and we went out to eat. So I just came home and I slipped into my ballet slippers actually and just started taking down the decorations and cleaning with what I had on for that day. So that's why I am cleaning in a little dress. Not typical, but just kind of what I wanted to do. I was ready to get these decorations taken care of and it was on my list of things to do, so I was ready to check that off. So I'm just taking everything fall related off the dining room table. I have a box that I store that fall stuff in. The regular stuff that goes on my dining room table is in that box, so I will pull it out and put it back on the table and give it a good clean, and then it will be a blank slate ready for me to decorate for Christmas.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
No, you cannot see down in the box, but I was stopping to figure out exactly how I wanted to place things in this box.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it
I know that sometimes I keep looking down at my finger. I kind of cut my finger on an acorn when I was taking it out of the dish up on top. So that's why I keep looking down at my finger a lot, because it was kind of hurting. I'm just taking everything off the shelves in this entryway table, and I'm not really paying that much attention to how I put it back, because it's going to be very temporary, maybe a week at the most, because I am going to start decorating within the next few days. So I'm just taking the stuff out of the box that I originally got from the entryway table, just putting it somewhere, and then I will be ready to decorate it for Christmas very soon.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
Now I'm going to take down my mantle decorations, which was the hardest for me because I loved the cozy vibes that this mantle brought this fall.
Only thought that we were foolish, not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you. For losing you.
If you are new to my channel, I just want to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my channel. I am a former teacher, and I survived heart failure and am now a heart warrior. I love to teach and help you guys do things here, especially things around the home. And once I get to start traveling again, I can't wait to share more trips and travel with you. And I would love for you to be part of my YouTube family.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are only getting louder. While you are up in space, I sit here by myself. Are you gonna spill the truth or waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now, that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over.
that throughout this video you can see my little helper. My helper's name is Lily. Lily is a teddy bear breed, and she is such a great part of our family.
Are you gonna spill the truth, the waste your life away? Sitting on your fingertips, so I know what you'll say. Baby, don't bother, you know it hurts anyway. Don't bother, as long as you don't say that it's over now that it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
A few touches of fall into my office this year, and that's what I'm cleaning up now. I use like my fall hand towels, dish towels to wrap things in as I pack them, so that's what I'm doing.
And it's over. We used to talk about getting older. We said we hold on, but now it's over. It can't be over. Over.
I'm looking around trying to make sure that I got all of the fall stuff out before I move into my kitchen, which is the last room I'm going to do in this tiny tidy. And again, I'm just wrapping stuff up and putting it in my kitchen box and putting things back out. And then I will have a nice, fresh, clean space to prepare for the holiday season.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about yourself.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to check out Sunday Dawn's channel. She is the creator of Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, along with the playlist in my description box. I know that you will get lots of motivation and get a lot done today. Thank you guys so much. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.